Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to talk about how generative AI can be used in political campaigns or for political strategic messaging. I took this video from my perspective of what I would do if I was a campaign manager and all the ways that I would use AI, because I use AI on a regular basis for a number of things that I do outside of school. So first, for text generation. So I would start with text generation tools, and I would write things like, I would have it help me write my speeches, ad copy, social media posts, news releases, fundraising emails. That would be huge. So I would use text generation AI application for doing all of those things. And then you need imagery. So then I would use it for social media imagery, image generation for social media imagery. I would use it for website imagery. It could be used for like infographics, which are really big in politics, and then it could also be used for creating storyboards for campaign videos. And I just think that could be huge because, you know, that's a whole job in itself. So those are a couple of the ways. I think what's really interesting about that, though, with the text generation and the image generation, is that we can create these variations that are specific to certain voter groups' interests. So with AI, we can like vary that messaging specific to interest, and that just really allows us to like reach their interests. You know, that I don't think I have to explain that in any more detail. Okay, and then let's see. Another way I thought it could be used is for translation. So we could not only translate the campaign messaging into other languages, but also into other dialects, just making it like easier to understand, broadening our reach. Very important. The last way was for data analysis for strategy. So, you know, where AI can look at vast amounts of data. We can use that to collect like voter data and to look at public sentiment, and then we can refine our strategy based on what we're seeing. So it could be used really great for that. The second question was on how would we regulate deep fakes, and I do think that's very important, political deep fakes specifically. So I would recommend mandatory labeling. I think that's very necessary, and I think it needs to be placed in a way that is visible and, you know, easy to see.